Hello, in this video I'll show you how to install Node.js on your computer. First, open your browser and go to nodejs.org. Click on Get Node.js and make sure the LTS version is selected, since that's the stable recommended version for beginners. Then click the installer for your operating system. Open the downloaded file and follow the setup wizard. Agree to the license and keep clicking Next or Continue on Mac until the end. You don't need to change anything because the default settings are just fine. Enter your password if prompted and wait for the installation to complete. Now open Terminal on macOS or Command Prompt or PowerShell on Windows and type Node-v and you should see the installed version number. Then type npm-v and if both commands print a number, you're all set. And that's it, Node.js installed and ready to go. You now have everything you need to get started with Novamira. See you next time.